Hi everyone! As you are probably aware, the new COVID relief bill was signed into law on December 27, 2020. This bill contains many changes and updates to the previous COVID-19 relief bill. Everyone hears about the stimulus check and the second PPP loan, but there are countless tax benefits from this legislation. Today, we're going to dive into some of these tax benefits for small businesses that resulted from the Tax Relief Act of 2020. It would be impossible to cover the entire bill in one video. So for now, we're going to highlight just a few provisions that would benefit small businesses specifically. The information discussed is meant to be informational only and not meant to be complete. So let's take a look. One of the biggest benefits for businesses from this new law is that it supersedes the IRS's previous guidance and clarifies that expenses paid with PPP funds are tax deductible. The Act permits taxpayers to deduct the expenses paid with the PPP loan proceeds to the extent they would otherwise qualify as ordinary and necessary business expenses. Another great benefit is that the second round of PPP loans is available to not only first-time qualified borrowers, but also to borrowers that previously received a PPP loan. Businesses who had to close due to government orders or had revenue drop significantly would definitely want to look into this provision closely. You may be able to claim employee retention credit and borrow a PPP loan. Previously, a company was not eligible for ERC if the company had accepted a PPP loan. Now, ERC may be claimed retroactively and prospectively if the company meets certain requirements. The maximum tax credit is now increased, and the time period for ERC tax credit is extended through July 1st, 2021. A positive change was made for those who received an Economic Injury Disaster Loan, or EIDL. EIDL advances do not reduce PPP forgiveness. Previously, borrowers that received an EIDL advance had that amount subtracted from the total PPP loan forgiveness. Now, thanks to this act, EIDL advances will not reduce PPP loan forgiveness. You can contact your lender if you've received forgiveness already and the amount of your EIDL advance wasn't forgiven. There is also a favorable change for taxpayers who file standard deductions. Previously, in 2020, the above-the-line charitable contribution amount capped at $300. For 2021, for those who are married and filing jointly, it is increased to $600. There has also been a change regarding how you can deduct a business meal. In the past, if you bought a meal from a restaurant, the expense was only 50% tax deductible. Starting in 2021 and into 2022, business meals provided by a restaurant are 100% tax deductible. The Act also extended employer tax credits for paid sick leave and expanded family and medical leave provided in the Families First Coronavirus Response Act until March 31st, 2021. A notable change is that the Act did not extend the employee's entitlement to FFCRA leave beyond December 31st, 2020. Employers are no longer legally required to provide such leave, but they may choose to do so voluntarily. Last but not least, we want to bring to your attention the monthly loan payments on existing and new SBA loans. These loans may qualify for payment by the federal government, which could mean no payment required from the business for the first 6 to 9 months of 2021. This video is made by the members of Accounting in a Box based in Houston, Texas, from information available as of January 12, 2021. There are many tax benefits contained in this act available to small businesses, individuals, and corporations. This video does not contain a complete list of these provisions, but highlights some we found to be especially helpful to small businesses. This content does not constitute professional advice. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, and have a great day.